Ke ambulans kuota uman ke keri wa pelat im yagi beru, deman patan go kam go penyap beru iverjiah Bengaluru, ke Wyrta yagi bonteli ke tuk-tuk, ke besenge red signal, hei wa de yap arngun. Ini de jia hei mit ke citrik hei por kam wakar wiwaje, hai por wa ki wiya tuk-tuk dan senge ge red signal, wedawan gani ke ambulans ke wapen herba ke Wyrta kini den. Kani ke ambulans setera ke yalai teli ke tuk-tuk, wedatan ke yago wi kat tu kat ni meter, weda senge go hadir matera yago wi ke tawi yengi pelin. Ki arngut ko yap tok ke kurim ki watip kamu Ismail wa ka Samin Banu ki wachong ha wi ke skuti Honda Dio wa de klat ki pen hai ni thaw jia kat wa ki arngut ki wi ki wa menso dekit ki cha hospital wa Chajan I video wa de por de yo ki pek ba wa de wan ki wa pen kala ye ke ambulans yo yu sai ye gu cha tan ha ka Deliang ki pulit ke Wilson Garden Traffic Police de poi ki ha ke ni ke thaw yo pun mon ye tekit wa de kem la ye wa ya ye ke ambulans watip kamu Ashok wa de register la ye FIR.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application to the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.